Hello foodies, welcome to our channel Cooking Pass. We all love palak paneer. Palak paneer is a vegetarian dish consisting of paneer in a thick paste made from pureed spinach. And we all know this delicious dish is cooked with onion and garlic, right? But it can be cooked without onion and garlic as well. Today we will share you the recipe of palak paneer without onion and garlic. So before starting this, if you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please subscribe now to get more such new recipes every week. And we are in Facebook and Instagram also. You can follow us there as well. So let's begin. We have taken 120 grams of paneer cut into cubes. Next we have taken 2 bundles of spinach or palak and we have made it into a smooth paste with a mixer grinder. We need some dry spices, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, 2 dry red chilies, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and salt as per taste. Next we have taken grated ginger 1 tablespoon, 6 to 7 green chilies roughly chopped. Tomato roughly chopped we have taken 1 big sized. Handful of coriander leaves, 50 grams of butter. Heat the karai very well before adding the oil. This will prevent the paneer sticking from its bottom. We have added 4 tablespoons of refined oil to shallow fry the paneer. Heat the oil very well. Once the oil is hot, start shallow frying the paneer pieces. Fry paneer pieces slightly golden in color and then keep it aside. Now in the same oil add dry red chilies and cumin seeds to temper it. Saute it for few seconds in low flame. Now we are adding grated ginger and we will saute this for a minute. Next we are adding chopped green chilies. Saute it. Next we are adding chopped tomatoes and saute this for another 2 minutes in medium flame. Add salt as per your taste. We will use salted butter at the end, so adding salt accordingly. Mix it well and cook it for another 1 minute in medium flame. Now add the palak or spinach paste into this. Cook it until the water dries up and the palak gets thickened. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes approximately. In the middle of this, add turmeric powder and mix it all together completely. When the shak gets thicker, add the fried paneer pieces into this. Mix it properly. Cook it 4 to 5 minutes in medium flame. Make sure everything is well combined. There are another delicious paneer recipes already in our channel. Recipe link is in description box. Please check it out. You can try this delicious veg palak paneer without onion and garlic on your veg day. Do try this once and let us know. Add some coriander leaves and mix it well. Shak has been thickened now. Add the butter from the top of it. Saute it well until it dissolves completely. We are using salted butter. You can use unsalted butter as well. It has been dissolved completely and your veg palak paneer is done and ready. Transfer this into a serving bowl and enjoy this with hot roti or paratha as you wish. If you love this recipe guys, please click on the like button and do comment below. If you have any query regarding this, we will be happy to help you out. And yes, do not forget to share this with your loved ones. We will be back soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking and stay tuned.